Good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss about pressure. Whenever we are talking about the pressure, we can just simply think this is a pressure means somewhere a force is working on a body. The force is working on a body means the force is working on the surface of the body. Whenever the term surface is coming, surface is implying the area. So how we can just discuss about the relation between force and area. Pressure is equal to force and it is inversely proportional to the area. We can define in such a way like pressure is directly proportional to force applied on that. Now strength of the force will increase, that pressure on the body will also increase. In the another terms, we can just say that pressure is inversely proportional to the area. As area will increase, the pressure will be less. Area will be less, pressure will be more. So this is the combination, and on the basis of this combination we can say pressure is directly proportional to force and inversely proportional to area, means pressure is equal to force upon area. How can we define? The definition of pressure will be pressure force per unit area. If area we will consider unit or constant on 1, we can say pressure is equal to force per unit area. In such ways, like whenever a force is applied on a surface of the body, we can say the strength of the force and whatever the surface is having the area. If we will divide both, we will be able to get the pressure exerted on the body. Now how we can just explain the SI unit? As we know, pressure is equal to force upon area. The SI unit of force is Newton and SI unit of area is meter square. So we can say the SI unit of Newton meter is SI unit of pressure is Newton per meter square. We can write down in such a way Newton meter inverse minus 2. At the same time, in the honor of physicist that Pascal, the unit of the pressure is Pascal, also can be represented by Pa. So by this way we can be able to get it. Thank you.